Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. From today onwards, I am going to start a series of lectures for the Endnote. How to use Endnote and how you can create your library, how you can import the citations from the different resources, and how you can cite while you write. So different things we are going to talk about one by one. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. You can press the bell button so that whenever I will upload the video, you will get the notification instantly. Fine. So when we are talking about Endnote library, so there are few steps. First, you need to download and install Endnote. As Endnote has different versions, so current version is Endnote 20. So it will be better that if you will start with Endnote 20, you will install Endnote 20. Once you have installed it, then you need to create Endnote library. So the first step will be creation of Endnote library. So today we are going to talk about how you can create a Endnote library. Once you have created your library, then you need to import references from the various databases. Like manually you can insert, manually you can create your references. You can import databases from different resources, like you can get it from Google Scholar, you can get it from PubMed. Directly you can import from the PDF papers. And once you have a library with the references, then you can insert citation in your Microsoft Word document or paper, projects, wherever you want. That we are going to call it cite while you write. So first time we are going to talk about how you are going to create Endnote library. So before going to start, there are few information we need to know about the Endnote. The Endnote started, initial release was the first Endnote was released in 1984, and that time it was from the Thomson Reuters. Now this Thomson Reuters has been taken by, it was Clavierate Analytics. So Endnote is belonging to Clavierate Analytics. Current version is Endnote 20. Just now I have told you, and the Endnote 20 has been released on 14th December 2020. This Endnote works on both Microsoft Windows as well as Mac, but it does not work on Linux. It is a closed source. You are having free version, basic version of Endnote is available, but there are certain restrictions, certain limitations are there. If you need full version, then you have to purchase it, the license. This Endnote website is the endnote.com, where you can get a lot of resources, lot of trainings and other details. And Endnote is available in English only. Whenever you are going to create Endnote library, there are two files is going to be created in your system. First is library file, that is .enl file, and second, all the resources, all the information about the library will be present in the data folder, that is called as .data folder. So these two extensions will be created in your. Why we are going to use Endnote? So normally Endnote we are going to use because it is going to organize your readings, organize your papers, references, cite the resources, keep the reading materials in Endnote library, whatever you are going to read it, import references from most of the databases. So it will help you group them by topics, group them by project or any specific questions. You can import PDF, pull a bibliographic information from the PDF. You can create in-text citations as a bibliography while you are writing the projects. So because of all these things, we need to use Endnote, and current version is Endnote 20, which you are going to see here. So this is a Word file. Whenever you are going to write, you can create in-text citations at the time of writing. Once you are going to create it according to the desired versions, it will very easily you can format it, the citation styles, and automatically it will create the reference lists at the end of your manuscript or at the end of the project. So because of all these things, so these are the benefits which we are having in the Endnote. So now how we are going to create a Endnote library? So whenever you are going to install Endnote and when you are going to open Endnote the first time, you are going to be presented a gray screen with a menu line. In order to make use of this application, you need a library which can be created by two different ways. First, either first time you are going to use Endnote, then you have to create a new library. So you can go to file option on the right hand side, left hand side on the top, and there is a new tab is there, so that you can create new, and you can rename it because by default it will give you my Endnote library. You can rename it according to you whatever you want and save it. That is for new library creation. If you are already having a library from the previous version or from somewhere you have imported it, then you just go to file and open the library. Just I will show you the window and then I will go to the software also and I will show it to you. So this is the option you are going to get first time. Open a existing library if you are having the previously existing, or if you are going to create a new one. So either this way, or you can go to the file and there we are having two options. So this is your library. By default it is coming with the my Endnote library. So this is the rough looking like how your library looks like this one. If you are going to now in this library, this is a blank library. It does not have any references because everywhere you are going to see 00. Once you will have some of the references, it will looks like this one. There are certain specific sections here. So I am going to tell you what are those sections and what is their usage. The first section, this is the main section where you are going to see all the references. So all your references is going to belong, this is called as a reference list panel, which shows the individual references stored in your Endnote library, also known as library records. So all the resources, like in this case we are having 638 references here. So that is the main part. Second, we are having this is called as summary. For the summary tab, which display a detailed overview of the selected references. Quickly alter the references metadata from the edit tab. So here you can see edit tab. From this one you can edit the references. Then this is the display. So this is your preview tab, preview panel, which show you how a reference will looks like according to the style you have selected. So if you have selected APA style, so in this APA style, this reference which is displaying here, how it looks like. So directly you can copy this one also, or you can import it also. So this is your summary tab, this is your preview panel. Then we are having online search button, where you can go to different databases, like 4 databases is visible here. Otherwise if you go to more, you can get more number of databases and you can search directly from there itself. Then we are having an advanced tab panel to find the item in your library to or a query to remote database for a new references or capture. And last will be my group, where you can create your groups according to the desired, like for a specific paper, for a specific sections. So you can call it, all the references can be subgrouped under the group category. One important thing, whenever you are going to create a library, Endnote recommend not to open your Endnote library or use your Endnote library from a cloud based locations like Box, iCloud, SharePoints, Office 365, etc. So it is better that whenever you are going to create your library, save your library local on your computer on any files like C drive, D drive or E drive, not on cloud based databases. And another point is, whenever you are going to create a library, create only one library. In that library you can make different subfolders. That will be better. So don't keep your references at many different places in different library. So in one library you can have many different groups. That will be better, so that all your references will be at one point. Now I am going to open a new library for you. I will show you how to create a new library. So I will go to this is my Endnote software. So you can create Endnote library in two different ways. Either you are having two options. If you are having previously existing library, you can directly go to open library. You can give the path wherever you are having library. So you can just give the path and you can open it. That is one way. Second way is you can directly click on the new. It will by default it will give you my Endnote library. Otherwise whatever library you want, so you can create, rename it, and you can create it. So this library will be created with the .enl extension. So that will be your library. So this is all about for today, how you are going to create your Endnote library. My next video will be on the on how you are going to import references in different ways, like manually how you are going to create references from PDF, how you are going to collect references, and then how you will import from the Google Scholar or PubMed or different other databases. So that will be my next video. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed it. If you like the video, press the like button. Thank you very much.